Hey, we're at John Jones. I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to change a tire on a car. First, you want to locate your spare. It's in the trunk, and your jack. And we're going to start with the jack. You want to locate it on the pinch weld of the car.
And why do you put it in that position?
Put it on the pinch weld. It stabilizes the jack and won't let the car slip off and injure you. You want to jack it up a little bit to get a little bit of weight off the tire. Next, when you got, just leave enough pressure on the wheel to break loose all the lug nuts. And you want to break them loose. You get them broke loose, then you want to proceed to jacking the car back all the way with the tire off the ground.
Why do you do that?
It helps. You won't be able to break the lug nuts loose. The wheel will want to turn on you.
Okay.
So you want to do it in that procedure. After you remove the lug nuts, you just want to pull the tire off, roll it to the back, lay it down, and then you want to remove your spare. Pull your spare out, roll it up, install it onto the hub. Take your lug nuts and install them. Yes, when you get all the lug nuts on and snug down just a little bit, you're going to have to lower your jack back down so the tire will not rotate like that. So you want to lower your jack back down till the tire just barely touches the ground to where it won't roll. And then you want to tighten your lug nuts. Try to get them evenly and pretty snug. Just try not to over tighten each lug nut. Pretty snug on there. After you get them all snug down, you want to go back over one more time and put a snug back on like tight. About like that. Then just lower your jack back down, put your other tire in there, and that'll be it. That'll be all.